Welcome friends, our today's topic is fractions in detail. So you will learn everything about the fraction, different operations on fractions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of fractions. Then you will also learn story sums and comparing those fractions. Today's video will be very interesting, very informative with rich content and many examples we will solve in today's video. Please watch this video till end so that you will get all the concepts of the fractions. So keep watching. So in this video we will learn the following points. First we will do revision of what is proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fractions. Then we will convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Then we will convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then we will learn about reducing any fraction to its lowest form. Then we will perform different operations, arithmetic operations on fractions like addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, multiplication of fractions, division of fractions. Then we will go for story sums, which is also called word problems of fractions. Then we will compare different fractions. So like fractions, unlike fractions, mixed fractions, all those fractions we will compare. Last we will arrange fractions in ascending or descending order. And at the end of the video I will give some sample questions for you for practice. So you can solve those questions, sums at home, and then you can write your answers in comment section. So I will check those comments and tell you whether you have done correctly or not. So in this way you will do lot of practice, and I guarantee you that at the end of this video you will be master of fractions. So let's start, right? So we have seen in last video that there are three types of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions, right? These three types we have seen. Proper fraction is nothing but whose denominator is greater than numerator. So this is d and this is n. So see, denominator is greater than numerator. So this is a proper form of fraction. That's why it is called as a proper fraction. Now improper fraction is opposite of this, where numerator is greater than denominator, where numerator is greater than denominator. See, numerator is 31, denominator is 6. So this is not in a proper form. This is our proper form, right? So this is improper fraction. This we have seen in last video. And another one is that mixed fraction, where there is a whole number and beside that one fraction is there. So 1/6 is another fraction and this is a whole number. So combination of these two is nothing but mixed fraction, right? This we have seen in last video. Now we are going to see how these two fractions, improper and mixed fraction, can interchange, right? This we are going to see. Now we are going to learn how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction and mixed fraction into improper fractions. So we are converting this fraction into this. So we know that 31/6 is nothing but 31 divided by 6. We can write this fraction in our regular division form, that is 31 divided by 6. So how we do this division? 6 5s are 30, subtraction 1 carry. So this is our division. We know that this is called quotient and this is divisor, and this is 1 is remainder. So this is Q, quotient, this is divisor and this is remainder. We have learned this in previous classes, right? Now one trick is there which I am going to share with you. The trick is like that: you need to remember one sentence which is queen riding upon donkey. How funny it is. Queen means our queen, king and queen, we know that. From that, queen is there. Riding upon donkey, we know that what is the meaning of donkey. Funny statement. So you have to remember this statement, and with the help of this statement you need to write mixed fraction. So here queen means q. Q is what? Quotient. This is our queen. So q we have to write like this. Queen riding. Riding means remainder. So take r from riding. R remainder. So you have to write remainder here. What is remainder? 1. And donkey is nothing but divisor. So write divisor here. What is divisor? 6. So see, she is a queen. Remainder is the riding. Upon means this by line. Donkey means divisor 6. So you have to write like this. This is a mixed fraction. So we have converted this improper fraction into mixed fractions. See, the answer is same, 5 1/6. So you have to remember this statement, queen riding upon donkey. Queen, from queen, q is there, quotient. Riding, r is there, r is remainder. Donkey, d is there, d is divisor. So you have to write queen here, remainder here, upon donkey. Like that you can convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. We will see another example so that it will be clear for you. So we will take this two example, 15/4. So this is also a fraction. This is an improper fraction, right? Why improper? Because numerator is greater than denominator. 26/7, this is also improper fraction because numerator is greater than denominator. So we will convert that into mixed fraction. 15 divided by 4, I can write like this, 15 divided by 4, right? So how to divide this? 4 3s are 12, subtraction 3 is remainder, right? So how to write this? Here remainder is r, 3 is q, this is d. So queen is 3, riding remainder is 3, upon donkey is divisor 4. So this is our mixed fraction. So I have converted improper fraction into mixed fraction. See how easy it is. Now 26/7. So we know how to do division. 26 divided by 7. 7 3s are 21. 26 minus 21 is 5. Now this is r, this is q, and this is d, right? Divisor. So queen is 3, riding means remainder 5, upon donkey means 7. So 3 5/7 is the answer. See how easy it is, right? So 15/4 is equal to 3 3/4, 26/7 is equal to 3 5/7. In this way we have converted improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now we will convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So this is a mixed fraction. We know that 6 2/5 is mixed fraction, and we have to convert that into improper fraction. It is very simple. So just multiply this denominator with this whole number. So 5 into 6, right? 5 into 6 we have to multiply. So 5 into 6, then add this 2 plus 2 and keep denominator as it is, 5. What I have done, I will repeat. Just multiply this denominator. 5 is denominator, 5 with 6. So 5 into 6, add this 2 plus 2 divided by 5. That's all. And you have to solve this. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 divided by 5, which is nothing but 32 divided by 5, right? So this is improper fraction. We know that improper fraction means numerator is greater than denominator, right? So 32 is greater than 5. So we have converted 6 2/5 into improper fraction. See, it's very easy. Now we will recap quickly how to reduce any fraction to its lowest form, reducing to its lowest form. Suppose this is the fraction 6 by 8 and we have to reduce it its lowest form. We have learned in part 1 video how to reduce in lowest form, right? So we are just revising it. So 6 by 8, I can write 6 like this, 3 into 2, right? And 8, 4 into 2. Am I right? So I can factorize, this is called factorization. So I can factorize 6 into 6 like this, 3 into 2, and 8 as 4 into 2. So why I did this factorization? Because I need to cancel this 2 2. So if I cut this 2 2, this 2 2 will be cut, this 2 2 will be cancelled, and remaining fraction will be 3 by 4. So now this 3 by 4 cannot be reduced further because 3 is a prime number, already came, and 4 can be factorized further, but here prime number came. So 3 by 4 is the lowest form of 6 by 8. Now second example is 36 by 48. Now here it is not easy to find factors of 36 and 48 because these numbers are greater, right? Bigger numbers 36 and 48 than this 6 and 8. 6 and 8 we can easily find out. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. But for 36 and 48 it is a little bit difficult, right? Some people can find out it easily, that is their capability. But suppose you are not able to find out factor of 36 and 48. So what to do? We have learned HCF method, right? We know how to calculate HCF, highest common factor. If you are not knowing that HCF, then click this link. You will find out a detailed video which will explain how you are going to find out HCF and LCM. So click this I button and you will get that video. So coming back to the problem, we have to find out HCF of 36 and 48. So how to find out? We generally write like this, 36 and 48, 36 comma 48, and we start with lowest number 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So we are writing quotient here only. We are dividing 36 by 2, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, then 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, again 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now 9 is not divisible by 2, but 12 is divisible by 2. So we need to find out a number which will divide this both the number 9 and 12. So 2 is not our number. So next number is 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, right? Now 3 is not a number which will divide 4, right? 3 will divide 3 but will not divide 4. So we have to find out a number which will divide both the numbers 3 and 4. Is there any number? There is no number which will divide 3 and 4, right? So this is our HCF, 2 2 3. So 2 into 2 into 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So HCF is 12. So can I write this 36 by 48 like this, 12 into 3, 12 into 4. So why I found HCF? To factorize 36, 12 into 3. To factorize 48, 12 into 4. Why I am taking 12 12 common? Because I am going to cut this 12. And final answer is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is the lowest form of 36 by 48. Got it? So with the help of HCF, we are finding out lowest form. Done? Understood? Now another method to find out lowest form. 36 by 48 is our example. So what I will do, I will divide these two numbers by the same number. I will start from 2. So we know divisibility test of 2. If last number is even, then this number is divisible by 2. So I can divide 36 by 2. Similarly, I can divide 48 by 2 as well, because last number is 8, which is even. We know divisibility test for 2. By the way, if you are not aware of divisibility rule, then click this I button. You will find a video, a detailed video where all the divisibility rules and tests are explained. A divisibility rule for 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 13. Coming back to the problem. So you have to find out a number which will divide both the number. So I will find out, I will take a 2, right? So I will divide by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. So we know that 18 2s are 36 is there. So 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16. Similarly, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again we have to repeat the same step. Can I divide it by 2? Yes, I can divide 24 by 2 and this 18 also by 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 9 and 12 are balanced. Can I divide by 2? No, because 9 is not a even number, it's an odd number. So this is not divisible by 2. So I will take next number. 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. So now 3 and 4 are the balanced numbers. Can I divide this by 3? Yes, but I cannot divide 4 by 3. So there is no common number to divide which will divide these two numbers. So our answer is 3 by 4. So like this also you can do. You can reduce a fraction into its lowest form, right? There are two methods. This is second method and first I explained HCF method, right? So whichever is convenient for you, you can use that method, right? Addition of fractions. So take an example, 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8. So this 1 by 8 is proper fraction. This 3 by 8 also a proper fraction, right? We have learned that proper fraction. Denominators are same. So these two fractions are like fractions, right? We have learned in part 1 video, when the denominator of two fractions are same, then those two fractions are called like fraction. So addition of these two like fractions is very simple. Just you have to take one of the denominator here in answer and add 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. So it would be 4 by 8 is the answer, right? So addition of like fraction is very simple. Just take one of the denominator and add a numerator 1 plus 3, that is 4 by 8. You can reduce this 4 by 8 as well. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. The answer is 1 by 2. So 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 1 by 2 is the answer. Similarly, if we take another example, 3 by 5 plus 6 by 5. Now here 3 by 5 is one of the fraction which is proper fraction, and 6 by 5 is improper fraction because numerator is greater. So why I am telling it repeatedly? Because you will learn what is proper and what is improper, right? So 3 by 5 plus 6 by 5. So what is our method? Just take one denominator 5, because the denominators are same, hence these two fractions are like fractions. So take one denominator, that is 5, and add this 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6, 9 by 5. Now addition of unlike fractions. Take an example, 1 by 8 plus 3 by 5. These two fractions are unlike fractions. Why? Because denominators are not same. Here 8 is a denominator and 5 is another denominator, right? So these denominators are not same, hence these two fractions are not like fractions. Those are unlike fractions. Unlike. So how to add those unlike fractions? So for addition and subtraction, you need to make your denominator same. So denominator must be same for adding any fraction or subtracting any fraction, but here denominators are not same. So what to do? We have to make these denominator same. That is our first task. Then only we can add these two fractions, right? So for adding any fraction or subtracting any fraction, you need to make denominator same. So how to make this denominator same? So we have learned LCM method, right? We have learned that. So if you are new to this video, we explained LCM and HCF method in one of the video. You can find that video in this I button. So you just click that I button, you will find how to calculate LCM and HCF, a detailed video for you. So LCM method we have to take. So how to take LCM of 8 and 5? LCM of 8 and 5. Just multiply them. 8 into 5, that is 40. Why to multiply them? Because one of the number is prime, 5 is prime, right? Here for taking LCM, one of the number 5 is prime. If one number is prime out of these two, then you can directly multiply these two numbers. Otherwise you have to use LCM method, which we learned already. So here no need to calculate LCM in detail, just multiply this 8 and 5, that is the LCM. So LCM is 40. So now LCM came 40, right? To make here 40, I have to multiply this 8 by 5, right? If I want to make this denominator 40, so I have to multiply this 8 by 5. Similarly, if I have to make this denominator 40, then I have to multiply by 8. So why I am multiplying by 5 here and 8 here? Because I want to make this denominator 40 and this denominator 40. Why 40? Because our LCM is 40. Right? Why we are making 40 these two? Because our LCM is 40 and we have to make these two denominators same. Why we have to make these two denominators same? Because we have to add these two numbers. For adding any two fractions, their denominator must be same. So that's why we are making this 40 and this 40, right? So if I am multiplying this denominator by 5, then what is the rule? I have to multiply numerator by 5 as well. So 1 also I will multiply by 5. Understood? Similarly here, if I am multiplying denominator by 8 here, then I have to multiply this 3 by 8. This is very important step. So 5 ones are 5, 8 5s are 40, plus 8 3s are 24, 8 5s are 40. Now 5 plus 24 by 40, which is nothing but 29 by 40 is our answer. Right? So I will explain once again. For adding unlike fractions, you need to make your denominator same. So here denominator is 8, here is 5. We have to make those denominators same, then only we can add or subtract, right? So here addition is going on. So for adding, we are making this denominator same. So what is the method? LCM method we are using. So what we have to calculate LCM of 8 and 5, only 8 and 5. Forget about this 1 and 3. Just calculate LCM of 8 and 5. So LCM of 8 and 5 is nothing but multiplication of this 8 and 5, that is 40. Why we are multiplying? Because this is 5 is prime number. So if in a couple, means for calculation of LCM, if one number out of these two came prime, then you can directly multiply these two number, right? So 8 into 5 is 40, so LCM is 40. So now we got LCM. So now solving this sum, we are multiplying this 8 by 5, so that whatever our LCM is there, 40, will come here. So if I am multiplying this 8 by 5, then obviously I have to multiply this numerator by 5 as well. Then only equivalent fraction will be there, because this 5 will get cut and 1 by 8 will remain, right? So we have to multiply by 5 to the denominator as well as numerator, then only this operation is allowed. Similarly, here 5 is there, so we are multiplying this 5 by 8 to get 40. So if I am multiplying this denominator by 8, then I have to multiply this numerator by 8 as well. So 3 into 8, so that 8 get cancelled and 3 by 5 will be as it is. So if I am multiplying by 8 denominator, then I have to multiply numerator by 8 as well. So 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 5 1s are 5, 8 3s are 24. So now denominators are same, right? 40 40. So now I can add. So 5 plus 24 is 29 by 40. This is the answer. This is how unlike fraction is added. We will take another example. Cut. So take another example, 7 by 5 plus 3 by 6. Again here denominators are not same. So these two fractions are unlike fractions. So for adding, what I have to do, I have to make these denominator same, right? So how I am going to make these denominator same? By LCM method. So LCM of 5 and 6. So this 5 and 6, 5 is prime number, so directly I can multiply 5 by 6. So 5 into 6, that is 30. So LCM is 30, right? One of the number is prime, so you can directly multiply these two. 5 into 6, 30. So now we got LCM 30 and we need to make this denominator as a 30. So how to make this denominator 30? 7 by 5. For making this denominator 30, I have to multiply this 5 by 6. If I am multiplying this denominator by 6, I have to multiply numerator by 6 as well, right? Plus 3 by 6. Again, I have to make this denominator 30. So I have to multiply this by 5. So if I multiply denominator by 5, then I have to multiply numerator by 5 as well. So 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30. So what is the answer? 7 6 are 42 by 30, right? Plus 3 5s are 15 by 30. So now denominators are same, right? Now you can add. So how we are going to add? 42 plus 15. 42 plus 15 by 30, which is nothing but 5 plus 2 7, 57 by 30 is the answer. See how simple it is. So just make denominator same by taking LCM, convert denominator into LCM, convert numerator as per that, convert numerator as per that, then multiply and then add. That's all. We will see another example. Take another example, 7 by 27 and 8 by 18. So you have to add these two fractions. Again, these two are unlike fractions, so we have to make denominator same. So what I will do, I will take LCM of 27 and 18. 27 and 18. So now 27 is not a prime, 18 is not a prime, so we cannot directly multiply it. So we have to take LCM. So what is the LCM method? 27 comma 18, we are writing like this. Then we have to find a number which will divide these two number. If I take 2, then 2 will not divide 27 because 7 is not even. So then what? I will take next number 3. I can multiply 27 by 3. Yes, 3 9s are 27. Then 3 6s are 18. So I got a number which will divide these two number, both the numbers. Now 9 and 6 came. Again we need to find another number, that is 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Right? So 3 is dividing 9 and 6 as well. Now can I take 3 here? 3 will divide this 3, but 3 will not divide 2. So 3 will not divide both the numbers. Right? So is there any number which will divide 3 and 2? No, there will not be any number. So then what to do? In LCM, you have to take whatever balance is there. 3 is balance, so you divide by 3. 3 ones are 3. So 2 is not divisible by 3. So I will write 2 as it is. Now 1 is here, so no need to worry about this term now. So 2, I have to make this 2 as a 1. So I will divide by 2. 2 ones are 2. Again 1 1 is there. So in LCM, our aim is to bring 1 1 at the end. Right? So this is how we calculate LCM. So first find out the numbers which will divide both the number. If you are not getting any number, then whatever remaining numbers are there, you just divide by these two. Right? So what is the LCM? So LCM is 3 into 3 9, 3 into 2 into 6. So LCM is 54. 3 3 are 9, 3 2 are 6, 9 into 6, 9 6 are 54 is the LCM. So we got LCM as a 54. Now coming back to our fractions, we need to bring here 54. Why? Because LCM has become 54. So what to do? 7 by 27 into. So to bring 54 here, I have to multiply 27 by 2 because 27 into 2 is 54. So if I am multiplying denominator by 2, I have to multiply numerator by 2 as well to balance this fraction, plus 8 by 18. To bring denominator 54, I have to multiply 18 by 3. You can also analyze from this LCM. 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So 18 into 3. So 18 into 3 is 54. Right? If I multiply denominator by 3, then I have to multiply numerator by 3 as well. So 7 2s are 14, 54 plus 24 divided by 54. So now denominators are same, right? See, now you can add. So 14 plus 24, 38 by 54. 4 plus 4 8, 38 by 4. Now you can reduce this further. If I divide this, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are. So 19 by 27 is the answer. So what I have done, I have just make this denominator same by using LCM method. I have taken LCM came 54, then I converted this fraction in 54 by multiplying 2 up and down as well, 3 up and down as well. 54 came, then 14 plus 24 I added, 38 came, divided by 2, 19 and 27 came. So 19 by 27 is the answer. In this way you have to solve sums of addition of fractions. Got it? Now addition of unlike fraction can also be done by cross multiplication method. So we'll learn cross multiplication method. Cross multiplication. Take an example, 3 by 7 plus 5 by 9. These two are unlike fractions. So in cross multiplication method, you just have to make denominator same. So you just have to multiply this denominator. So how you are going to do? 7 into 9, right? Then you have to do cross multiplication like this. 9 into 3, 9 into 3. Then whatever sign is here, plus is there, so plus 7 into 5. What I have done? I have done cross multiplication. 7 into 9 in denominator to make denominator same, right? 7 into 9. Then I will start from right hand side, right hand side. This is 9. From 9 I will go up, 9 into 3, 9 into 3 plus 7 into 5. You have to remember, you have to start from right hand side, right? 9 into 3, 7 into 5. So 9 into 3, 9 3s are 27 plus 7 5s are 35, 7 9s are 63. So 27 plus 35, 162 by 63. So 62 by 63 is our answer. So this is cross multiplication method. Got it? Now we will take another example, 5 by 27 plus 3 by 18 to solve by cross multiplication. So what is our method? You have to multiply 27 into 18 to make denominator same. 27 into 18. Then you have to start from right hand side, which is from 18. So 18 into 5. So 18 into 5 plus 27 into 3. So 18 into 5 is 90. 27 into 3 is 81. 27 into 80, 486. So addition of these two, 171 by 486. Right? Now how to add a fraction and a whole number? So here fraction is 3 by 7 plus whole number is 2. So how to add those two? So we know that any whole number can be converted into fraction, because below any whole number there is 1 always, which is invisible. 4 there is 1 always, 5 there is 1 always at denominator, right? So this we are going to use in our example. So 3 by 7 plus 2 by 1. Again, in these two fractions denominators are not same. So again, any method you can use, LCM method or cross multiplication method. So if I use here LCM method, LCM is 7 into 1 is equal to 7. So 3 by 7, if I have to make LCM 7, 7 already is there, so no need to multiply, keep as it is. 2 by 1, here if I want to bring 7, I have to multiply by 7, hence I have to multiply numerator by 7, right? So 3 by 7 plus 7 2s are 14 by 7. So 17 by 7. 1 7 is common. 3 plus 4, 14, 17. So this is the answer, right? So what is the trick? Below any whole number 1 is there, then you have to solve addition of fractions. Simple. So addition of mixed fractions. Addition of mixed fractions. So this is the example, 4 3 by 5 plus 5 4 by 5, right? This is our mixed fractions. This is first, this is second mixed fraction. So how to add this? So there are two methods for solving this example. So first method is just add these whole numbers. 4 is a whole number, 5 is a whole number, right, in this fraction. So add 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. That is the first step. Now what is balance? If I taken out this 4 and 5, this will be balance, right, and this will be balance. So 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5. So here denominators are same, 5. So I can take one denominator, add numerator, 3 plus 4, 7 by 5. So now this 7 by 5 is improper fraction. We can convert this into mixed fraction as well. So how to convert? 7 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 2 balance. So how to write this in terms of mixed fraction? Remember, queen riding upon donkey. So here queen is 1, right? This is queen. Remainder is this riding, and donkey is 5, D. So queen riding upon donkey. I write queen, riding means 2, donkey means 5. So 1, 2 by 5 is our answer, right? So now final answer will be, so this is not a final answer. Student normally makes mistake writing this as a final answer. This is not a final answer because we just added 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Separately we added this whole number, right? 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So you have to mix this 9 with this. You have to mix 9 and 1 2 by 5, right? So how to mix it? 9 and 1, you have to add 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 2 by 5. So 10, 2 by 5 is our answer. What I have done? 9 plus 1, 10, 2 by 5, 10, 2 by 5. So 10, 2 by 5 is our answer, correct? So what I have done? I just added whole number, which is whole number are there in mixed fraction. This one 4 and 5 sorry, 4 plus 5 is 9. Then I added these fractions 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. We know how to add fractions, 3 plus 4, 7 by 5. Then this came as an improper fraction. So I just convert that into mixed fraction. How to convert it? Do the division. 5 ones are 5, 2. So queen riding upon donkey, queen is 1, riding remainder is 2, upon donkey divisor is 5. So 1 2 by 5, and then I combine this 9 and 1 2 by 5. 9 plus 1 10, 10 2 by 5. This is how by first method you have to solve this addition of a mixed fraction. So we will see now second method. In method second, 4 3 by 5 plus 5 4 by 5. So what second method tells, so just convert this mixed fraction into improper fractions. So how to convert it? We have seen at the start of the video how to convert mixed fraction into improper fractions. So 5 and 4 we multiply, 5 into 4 plus 3, add 3, divide by 5. Similarly for this as well, 5 into 5 plus 4 divided by 5. 5 4s are 20 plus 3 by 5 plus 25 plus 4 divided by 5, which comes 23 by 5 plus 29 by 5, right? So now these two fractions are like fractions because denominator is 5. So you can add 23 and 29, which is nothing but 9 plus 3 12, 1 52 by 5. Now this 52 by 5 is improper fraction, right? So we have to convert that into mixed fraction, because your sum is in mixed fraction, so answer should be in mixed fraction. So you have to convert 52 by 5 in mixed fraction. So how to convert that? So we normally divide 52 by 5. So 5 tens are 50 to balance, and then we write this in the form of queen riding upon donkey. So here queen is 10, so 10, remainder is 2 by 5. So this is the answer for this, 10 2 by 5. See, this answer and by first method answer 10 2 by 5 are the same. These two answers are same, right? This and this. So by first method also the same answer we got, and by second method also we got the same answer. So you can do any one of the method. So in addition only these two types of methods are there, but in subtraction this first method is not there, only you have to use method second only. So it's your choice which method you are going to use, this one or this one. It looks simple, right? So you can use for addition this method, but don't forget to add this 9 and 1 2 by 5. This mistake normally student do in exams. When I check question papers, student write this answer, but this is not the answer. You have to add this with this whole number addition, right? So you have to be very cautious in this method to adding this. In this method, chances of making mistake are almost 0, because you are converting that into improper fraction and then adding it, right? So choice is yours. You can do by any of the method. So we will take another example so that your concept of adding a mixed fraction will be clear. So another example is 3 plus 5 2 by 7. So now one whole number and another is mixed fraction. So how to add this? So by first method I am just adding whole number. 3 plus 5 is 8, and if I take 3 here, so nothing will remain, right? So 2 by 7 will be there, 2 by 7. So this is the answer. Just 3 plus 5 8, 2 by 7. Simple, because there is no fraction for 3 to add with this 2 by 7. So 3 plus 5 8, 2 by 7. So now by method second, 3 is there, I have to convert this mixed fraction into improper. So what is the method? 7 into 5, 7 into 5 plus 2 divided by 7. So I multiply this 7 with 5 and then add 2, 7 into 5 plus 2 divided by 7. So 3 plus 7 into 5, 35 plus 2 by 7, 3 plus 37 by 7. So now below 3 1 is there, we have seen that invisible 1 is there. So now these two fractions are there, these are unlike fractions. So either I will do cross multiplication or I will take LCM. So whatever way you want. So since this is a prime number, so I will do cross multiplication, that will be simple. So 7 into 1, 1 into 7, cross multiplication 7 into 3 plus 1 into 37. 7 3s are 21 plus 37 divided by 7. So it will be 38, 48, 58 by 7, right? 58 by 7. So again this came as a improper fraction, so I had to convert 58 by 7 into mixed fraction. So how to do that? 58 divided by 7, 7 8s are 56, 2 carry. So again queen riding upon donkey. What is queen here? 8 riding upon 2 by 7. So 8 2 by 7 is the answer, right? And this 8 2 by 7 is same as 8 2 by 7, right? So by method 1 it is very simpler, by method 2 it become a little bit lengthier. So when you are going to use method 1 and when you are going to use method 2? So that is the question in front of you, right? So you should become a smart. How? So addition you can do by method 1, right? Because this method 1 is not applicable in subtraction. In subtraction normally addition of whole number is not possible. So in method 1 you can do addition, right? Addition of a mixed fraction you can do by method 1, and rest of the sums you can do by method 2. So you need to know both the methods, right? Like that you can solve the sums. If you like our teaching and the content, then please join our academy, which is Sharvin Academy, one of the best academy in Pune and India. We conduct regular classes for entrance exams like IIT JEE, NEET, Olympiads, CET and NDA. Apart from that, we also conduct various classes for different competitive exams at high school levels. We also conduct offline and online classes for 1st standard to 12th standards, all subject and all boards. Our students are toppers in their respective schools. Our mission is to build up your foundation so that you can achieve your dreams. You may have different dreams like becoming engineer, doctor, CA, lawyer, architect or any other field like film and television or in research and science or maybe in acting and other things. So for achieving your dreams, your foundation should be strong. Our aim is to build your foundation very strong. We have highly skilled professors, teachers, and our content is one of the best content in India. So lot of students are achieving their goals while studying in Sharvin Academy. So please join us. We are waiting for you. Now subtraction of fractions. So first category is like fractions. So how to subtract like fractions? Take an example, 6 by 7 minus 4 by 7. So these two are like fractions. Why? Because the denominator is same, which is 7, right? So these are very simple examples. Just you have to take one denominator 7 and 6 minus 4. You have to do 6 minus 4, which is equal to 2 by 7. Simple. Now in this, if signs are coming like minus 3 by 7 minus 8 by 7, then how you will do? So in fraction you can get negative numbers as well. So do not worry if you get negative number. So you have to do the same method. Take one denominator, that is 7, minus 3 is there, minus 8. Now you need to solve minus 3 minus 8. So this you need to solve. So minus 3 minus 8, what is the answer? Both are having negative sign. So you have to add this 3 plus 8, 11. And you have to keep one negative sign, minus 11 by 7 is the answer. So though there is a negative sign, no need to bother about it. You just do whatever our conventional method is there. So you need to add or subtract whatever is there, operation, and keep one denominator as below, right? So minus 11 by 7 is the answer. So now subtraction of unlike fractions. So we'll take example 3 by 8 minus 5 by 14. So these two fractions are unlike. Why? Because the denominators are not same, right? So how to do subtraction? Similar to addition, you have to make these denominators same. So here you need to bring same denominator, right? So how to do that? So there are two methods. One is LCM method. So I will solve by LCM method. So I will take LCM of 8 and 15. LCM of 8 and 14. Sorry, 8 and 14. So how to take LCM of 8 and 14? So 8 comma 14. I will write like this. Then I will find a number which will divide both these numbers. So I will start from 2. So 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, right? If you don't know how to calculate LCM and HCF, then please click this link. I button is there. You will get a detailed video which will explain you how to calculate LCM and HCF, right? Then if you don't know about divisibility test, then also another link will be there, divisibility test. So click that link and learn all the divisibility test or rules, right? So that you will understand which number should be divided by which number, right? So here 8 will be divided by 2. Why? Because 8 is even, that is a divisibility test or divisibility rule. Here 14 will divide by 2, right? Because 4 is even, that is a divisibility test for 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. Again I will give all these links, HCF and LCM divisibility test or rules, in description as well. So you can check that description as well. Coming back to the problem, so 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. Now I have to find a number which will divide both the numbers. Is there any number? If I divide by 2, it will divide 4, but it will not divide 7, right? So 2 is not our number. If I divide 7, then it will divide 7, but it will not divide 4, right? So what to do? So in LCM, whatever balance number is there, you can divide by that. So 4 is balanced, so you take 4 as it is, 4 1s are 4, and keep 7 as it is. Then 7 1s are 7. So aim is to bring 1 1 here, right? So in LCM, you need to take whatever balance number is there, you can divide by that if you don't find any number which will divide both the numbers, right? So I have taken 4 1, 7 as it is, then 7 1, so 1 1. So my LCM is 2 into 4 into 7, so 8 into 7, 56. So LCM is 56. So I got LCM as a 56. Now I have to make these two unlike fraction as a like fraction, like we have to make this denominator same. So what I will do, 3 by 8 I will write as it is, then I have to bring here 56 because our LCM is 56. So I need to find a number which will multiply this 8 and become 56. So I know that 8 7s are 56, right? If I don't know this 7, I can take help of LCM as well. So 2 into 4, 8, so balance is 7. So 8 7s are 56, right? So 7 I got a number. I am multiplying this 7 to denominator. Same I have to multiply this 7 to numerator as well. Then minus 5 by 14 as it is. Then for this 14, which number I should multiply so that I can get 56. If I don't know, I can use help of LCM. So 2 and 7, 14. So what is the number? 4. So 4. I will multiply 14 into 4. Then I will multiply 5 into 4. Same. Because the rule is if I multiply by the same number to denominator, I have to multiply by same number to numerator as well. So 7 3s are 21, 56 minus 20, 56. So 21 minus 20 by 56. So 1 by 56 is my answer. In this way, we do subtraction of unlike fraction. Now take another example so that you will get more practice. So my next example is 4 by 9 minus 2 by 27. So these two are unlike fractions because denominators are not same, 9 and 27 are there. So I will use LCM method, So LCM of 9 and 27, 9 and 27. So how to calculate 9 and 27? 9, 27, I have to write like this. I have to find a number which will divide both the numbers. I will start from 2. 2 will not divide 9 because 9 is an odd number. So I will take next number 3. Yes, 3 3s are 9, it will divide. Yes, 27 is divisible by 3. What is the divisibility test for 3? I have to add these numbers. 7 plus 2 is 9, so 9 is divisible by 3. So it means that 27 is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27. then again 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, again 1, 3 ones are 1. So LCM is 3 into 3 into 3, 27. So 27 is LCM. So 4 by 9. So I need to bring this LCM here. So what is the number which will multiply this 9? So 9 threes are 27. I can take help of this as well. 9 threes are 27. So if I multiply denominator by 3, I have to multiply numerator by 3, minus 2 by 27. So I need 27 here because LCM is 27, but already 27 is there. So no need to multiply by any number, or you can multiply by 1. You can multiply by 1 as well, or no need to multiply. So 4 threes are 12 by 27 minus 2 by 27. So now denominators are same. So 12 minus 2 is 10 by 27. So this is our answer. Got it? Now subtraction of mixed fraction. So our example is 4 3 by 15 minus 3 7 by 30. So in subtraction, do not use method 1 we learn in addition, right? So here you have to use method 2 only. So which is just convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Why? Because by doing this whole number subtraction, sometimes you will get correct answer, but sometimes you will not get correct answer. So that's why that is not applicable for subtraction, right? So to avoid those consequences or those mistakes, just start with method second, which is converting this mixed fraction into improper fractions. So how to do that? So 15 into 4 plus 3 divided by 15. So I just multiply 15 and 4, then I add 3 by 15. Take 15 as a denominator, same. Similarly here as well, 30 into 3 plus 7 divided by 30. 30 into 3 plus 7 divided by 30, right? So 15 into 4, 60 plus 3 by 15 minus 30 into 3, 90 plus 7 by 30. So how much? 60 into 3, 63 by 15 minus 97 by 30. So now this is our improper fractions, right? 63 by 15, numerator is greater, so it is improper. This is also improper, and these are unlike fractions because denominators are not same. So we have to subtract this. So how to do that? So make this denominator same, right? These denominators should be same. So how to do that? LCM method. LCM method. So LCM of 15 and 30. So how to calculate 15, 30? I have to like this. Then I have to do this arrangement. Then I have to start by lowest number 2. 2 is divisible by 15? No. 15 will not divisible by 2. So I will take another 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3 can divide both the numbers 15 and 30. Then 5 10 balance. So 3 is not our number because 5 will not divisible by 3. So I will take 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Then 2 balance. So 1 1. So now you learn about LCM method, right? So no need to explain again and again. So what is the LCM? 3 into 5 into 2, 3 into 5 into 2, 15 into 2, that is 30. So LCM is 30. So we need to bring 30 here, right, to make denominator same. So how to bring that? 63 by 15. So I have to multiply this 15 by 2, right? Then only 30 will come here, right? So 15 by 2. So if I multiplied in denominator 2, so I have to multiply numerator 2 as well. Then only this fraction will balance, right? Minus 97 by 30. So for this already 30 is there, LCM is 30, so already 30 is there, no need to multiply anything, or you can multiply by 1 for the sake, or no need to multiply as well, you can keep as it is, no issue. So 63, I will write here, 63 into 2, 126 by 30 minus 97 by 30. So 126 minus 97 by 30. So how much it is? 126 minus 97, 16 minus 7, 9. So 10 to 29, right? 29 by 30 is our answer. So what I have done? I have converted this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How to convert? 15 into 4 plus 3, 30 into 3 plus 7, right? I did this calculation, it came 63 by 15, 97 by 30. Then these two are unlike fractions, so I have to solve it by LCM method. So I have taken LCM of 15 and 30. So this is the method, 15 and 30. So my LCM came 30. You know how to calculate LCM right now. So you are habituated to calculate LCM right now. If you are not getting how to calculate LCM, then visit our video LCM and HCF, which is in detail. So in description I will give a link for that, right? So 30 is LCM. So bringing 30 here, I have to multiply by 2, 15 into 2. So I have to multiply numerator as well by 2, 63 into 2. 97 by 30, no need to do anything because 30 already is there. 15 into 2, 30, 63 into 2, 126. So 126 minus 97 is 29 by 30. This is our answer. Got it? Now we will take one more example of subtraction so that you will get a complete concept. So different example. So 4 minus 6, 3 by 5. So this is a whole number. This is also a mixed fraction, in that 6 is whole number, right? So how to do that? So 4, we know that below 4 1 is there, right? Always a denominator is 1, minus 6 3 by 5. I can convert that into improper fractions. How to convert? 5 into 6, right? So 5 into 6 plus 3 by 5, correct? Then 4 by 1 minus 5 6 are 30. I will write here. So then 4 by 1 minus 5 6 are 30 plus 3 by 5. So 4 by 1 minus 33 by 5, right? So now these two are unlike fractions. So what I have to do? So I can take LCM or I can do cross multiplication. So since 5 is a prime, so I can do cross multiplication. It is easier for me. I can take LCM as well, but one number came prime, so I can directly do cross multiplication. 5 into 5, 5 into 4, 5 into 4 minus 1 into 33, 1 into 33. See, here normally students make mistakes. So 5, you have to start from right side, right? 5 into 4. If you will start from left side, then your answer will be wrong. So start from right side. This is our right hand. 5 into 4. 5 into 4 minus then 1 into 3. This is first step. This is second step, right? So how much it would be? 20 minus 33 by 5. So 20 minus 33. Now Whether subtraction possible? Yes, it is possible, because 20 has plus sign, this has minus. Now 20 minus 33. So 20 is lesser number, 30 is more greater number. So someone will thought, how I can do the subtraction, because smaller minus bigger number. But in mathematics you can do that. So how to do that? You just subtract 33 minus 20. 33 minus 20, which is equal to 13, right? And give the sign of greater number. 33 is the greater number, so minus 30 is the sign. So minus 13 by 5 is the answer. You can convert this in mixed fraction, because this is a improper fraction. So 13 by 5. So how to do that? 13 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10, 3 is balance. So then again, queen riding upon donkey. Who is queen here? 2. Riding means remainder 3, donkey is 5, and sign is negative. So give sign here minus, or you can give minus sign here. So minus 2 3 by 5 is the answer. Got it? So there are some sums where negative sign will come, right? So no need to bother about it. You have to follow whatever your method is. Please like this video, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and share this video with your relatives and friends. And don't forget to comment below. Multiplication of fractions. So we'll take example 3 by 4 multiplied by 5 by 7. So it is very simple. In multiplication, no need to make your denominator same. So making denominator same is only in addition and subtractions, not in multiplication, not in division. So in multiplication, directly multiply each other. So 4 and 7 multiplication, 3 and 5 multiplication. 3 into 5 and 4 into 7. Right? So before that, if anything is getting cut, you just cut it. Nothing is getting cut here. So what I am trying to say, you will understand in next example. So 3 into 5, 15. So 15 by 28 is the answer. Right? So we'll take another example. Now multiplication of mixed fractions. So our example is 3 4 by 3 into 5 6 by 18. So to multiply this, first you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, right? So how to do that? We know 3 into 3 plus 4 divided by 3 multiply by again 18 into 5 plus 6 divided by 18. So if I write 3 3s are 9 plus 4, 9 plus 4 divided by 3 multiply by 18 5s are 90 plus 6 divided by 18. Again 9 by 4, 9 plus 4 is 13, 13 by 3 multiply by 96 by 18. Now we need to solve this 13 by 3 into 96 by 18. So how to solve direct multiplication? So 13 into 96 divided by 3 into 18. So here either you directly multiply this one and get the numerator and get the denominator, or you can cut, because multiplication sign is there. So in multiplication sign you can cut these numbers. Cut means what? You can divide these two numbers by the same number. So I will divide by 6. 6 3s are 18, 6 1s are 6, 6 6s are 16. So instead of 2 and 3, I am directly dividing by 6. 6 is 18, 6 1 is 6, 6 is 36. If you don't understand how I got 16, so 96 divided by 6, 6 1 is 6, 3, 6 6 is 36. See, I got 16. So I can divide this 96 by 6 and 18 by 6. Okay. So what I done? I used divisibility test for 6, right? So if you don't know divisibility test, then click I button here, or in description I will give the link. You can check that video of divisibility test or divisibility rule in detail. Then you will able to solve such kind of calculations. Coming back to problem, so I got 16 and 3. Can I further divide? Here 3 are there, 16 is not divisible by 3, 13 is a prime number, so it is not divisible by anything. So directly 13 into 16 and 3 into 3. So 13 into 16 is 208 and 3 into 3 is 9. And if I convert this improper fraction in mixed fraction, then how to do that? 208 divided by 9, 9 2s are 18, 2 balance 8, 9 3s are 27, 1 balance. So what is our rule? Queen riding upon donkey. So who is queen here? 23. Queen I kept. Riding means remainder. What is remainder? Is 1 upon donkey. Donkey is 9, divisor. So 23 1 by 9 is your final answer. Got it? In multiplication directly you can multiply, but here mixed fraction is there, that's why you are converting that mixed fraction into improper fraction like this, and then you are directly multiplying. In multiplication, if you can cut upper and below number by the same number, you can do that. Otherwise keep as it is and multiply it, and you get the answer. Final answer, if you got improper fraction, then convert that into mixed fraction by using our division method. This is the answer. Now take another example, 3 into 4 2 by 9. So how to do that? So we know that below 3 1 is there, so 3 by 1 into, I can convert this mixed fraction into improper. How to do that? 9 into 4 plus 2 by 9. So it would be 3 by 1 as it is into 9 4s are 36 plus 2 by 9 is equal to 3 by 1 38 by 9. So now these two fractions came. Now we have to multiply these two fractions. So in multiplication directly you have to multiply. So 3 into 38 divided by 1 into 9. Before that, if you can cut something, you can do it. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So 38 by 3 is our answer. So now you got 38 by 3. Now you have to convert that improper fraction into mixed fractions. How to do that? 38 by 3, 3 1s are 3, 0, 8 balance, 3 2s are 6, 2 balance. So 12 is quotient. So queen is riding upon, or queen riding upon donkey. Who is queen here? 12. Riding means remainder 2, upon donkey is 3. So 12 2 by 3 is the answer. Got it? So division of fractions. So our example is 3 by 5 divided by 6 by 25. This is very simple example. It's similar to multiplication. Only one step you have to add in this example. So which one is? Just convert this division into multiplication. How to do that? Just write first fraction as it is, 3 by 5. Then convert this division into multiplication. So write multiplication. So how to convert this division into multiplication? So next number which is fraction or whole number, you have to take a reciprocal of this 6 by 25. We have learned how to take reciprocal in part 1 video. If you have not seen that, then click this I button, you will get that video and just go through that reciprocal section, you will understand that. So what is the meaning of reciprocal? You have to invert it. Invert it means this 25 is denominator, you have to make this denominator as a numerator, means 25 you have to invert it, you have to take up and this 6 down. So 25 you have taken at upper side and 6 has taken as downward side. So 25 became numerator, 6 became denominator. So like that you have to take a reciprocal. Reciprocal is nothing but just flip it, right? 25 by 6. Now this you can solve because you learn this how to solve. So directly multiplication, 3 into 25, direct multiplication 5 into 6. If you can cut something, you can do it. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So answer is 5 by 2. So now this is a improper fractions. You can convert this into mixed fraction. So how to do that? 5 divided by 2, 2 twos are 4, 1. Again, what is our rule? Queen riding upon donkey. Who is queen here? This 2. 2. Riding means remainder, 1 by 2. Donkey is divisor. 2 1 by 2 is the answer. Very simple. Just one step is there. You have to convert this division into multiplication by taking reciprocal of this number 6 by 25. Clear? Answer is 2 1 by 2. If you like our teaching and the content, then please join our academy, which is Sharvin Academy, one of the best academy in Pune and India. We conduct regular classes for entrance exams like IIT JEE, NEET, Olympiads, CET and NDA. Apart from that, we also conduct various classes for different competitive exams at high school levels. We also conduct offline and online classes for 1st standard to 12th standards, all subject and all boards. Our students are toppers in their respective schools. Our mission is to build up your foundation so that you can achieve your dreams. You may have different dreams like becoming engineer, doctor, CA, lawyer, architect or any other field like film and television or in research and science or maybe in acting and other things. So for achieving your dreams, your foundation should be strong. Our aim is to build your foundation very strong. We have highly skilled professors, teachers, and our content is one of the best content in India. So a lot of students are achieving their goals while studying in Sharvin Academy. So please join us. We are waiting for you. Now story sums. Story sums or word problems of fractions. So in some of the grade or classes, these kind of questions also asked, story sums or word problems. These are very important questions. Why? Because first thing you need to know the concept of fractions. In that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, you should be knowing all those concepts. And then you need to understand a problem as well. So here one of the problem has been given. Let's read that. Of the 185 children in a class, 4/5, 4 by 5 went trekking. How many children did not go trekking? So there is a class of 185 children or students. In that 4/5 of what? 185. 4/5 of 185 children went for trekking. So how many children did not go for trekking? So from this sum you need to understand what they are asking. They are asking how many students or children did not go for trekking, right? So how to calculate that? First I will calculate how many children went for trekking, right? So they have given 185 children are there and 4/5 went trekking. So 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 will not be a children, right? So 4 by 5 means 4/5 of 185. So you have to understand this. So children went for trekking. (185) of, so of 4/5 of 185 means 4 by 5. So there of they have written at start. So of is a keyword. Of means multiply. This is a keyword here. Of 185, right? So 185 into 4 by 5. How much? So below 185 1 is there, we have seen that. So you have to multiply 185 into 4, 1 into 5, 185 into 4, 1 into 5, right? We have learned multiplication of fractions. If you can reduce it or cut it, you can do that. 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 18 minus 15, 3 carry, 35, 5 7s are 35. So answer is 37 into 4, how much? 4 7s are 28, 2, 4 3s are 12 plus 2, 14. So 148 children went for trekking, right? But what they asked, how many children did not go for trekking? So out of 185, 148 went. So how many children did not went? So children did not went equal to did not went 185 minus 148. So 148 went for trekking and balance how much? Subtraction. So 185 minus 148, 7 5 3. So 37 children did not went for trekking. 37 children. This is the answer. So in this way you have to convert your word problem into fraction and then you have to find the answer. So for such kind of problems or sum you need to have a practice. So in mathematics practice is a key. You will understand the concept, like from my video you might have understanding the concept, that is good thing, but for become a master of those concepts you need to do a lot of practice. So do a lot of practice, then only you will be master of such kind of problems. So in this way story sums and word problems can be solved. We will take another example so that your understanding will be more mature, right? So another problem is the school tailor is making vests for annual concert. Vest means a jacket, right? Kind of jacket. So the school tailor is making vests for annual concert. Each vest needs 2/3 of a meter. So 2/3 of a meter of fabric, right? So this is a keyword, 2/3 of a meter of a fabric, 2/3 of a meter of fabric. How many vests can he made from 18 meter of fabric? So he has total 18 meter fabric, 18 meter, and how much cloth he needs for a vest? So 2/3 of a meter each vest. Each vest means for one vest, for one student's vest, for one vest he need 2/3 of a meter. So 2/3 of a meter, a means 1, right? This much he need for one vest, for one vest, right? Total fabric is 18 meter, total cloth is 18 meter, right? So how many vests he can make? So in this case, what operation we need to do? Multiplication, division, addition or subtraction, that is the key. So total fabric is 18 meter, for one vest is 2/3. So obviously for calculating number of vests we need to do division. Why? Because if I say you 18 chocolates are there, and if you need to divide those chocolates in 9 students, then how many chocolates will be there? So you will do 18 divided by 9, 2 chocolates for 1 student. It means that for 9 students 18 chocolates will be there. Similar way, 18 meter fabric is there, 2/3 of a meter means 2/3 of a meter means 2/3 is for one vest. So how much vest will be there? So 18 meter divided by 2/3. So we know how to do the division. 18 divided by 2/3, below 18 1 is there, so 18 will be as it is. Multiplication sign, you have to take a reciprocal, 3 by 2, right? 2/3 it will be flipped, 3 will be go up and 2 will be down to convert this division into multiplication. So now 18 into 3 divided by 1 into 2. If you can reduce any number, you can do it. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So 9 into 3 is the answer. 9 into 3 is nothing but 27. So 27 vests. So answer is 27 vests can be made from 18 meter fabric. This is our answer. 27 vests can be made from 18 meter fabric. Got it? This is how you need to solve story sums. Take another example. From 3 5/6 of pizza, Sasha and her friends ate 1 2/3. How much is left? So total pizza is 3 5/6, right? And Sasha and her friends ate 1 2/3. So how much is left? So left means keyword, so subtraction you have to do, right? So there are some keywords you need to identify by which operation you have to do, or you can understand the problem and decide it. So total pizza is 3 5/6, 3 5/6, and how much ate? 1 2/3. So whatever the balance is there, this minus this is the balance, right? So you have to do subtraction. Again, 2 mixed fraction are there and we have to do subtraction of it. So how to do it? So I have to convert this into improper fractions. So how to convert? 6 into 3 plus 5 divided by 6 minus 3 into 1 plus 2 divided by 3. 6 3s are 18 plus 5 divided by 6 minus 3 ones are 3 plus 2 divided by 3. If I solve here, 18 plus 5, 23, right? 23 divided by 6 minus 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. So now these are two unlike fractions, we have to subtract them. So method is LCM or cross multiplication. So here there is one prime number, but this prime number can be divided by this 6. 6 can be divisible by 3. So I will take LCM of 6 and 3. So LCM of 6 and 3, 6, 3, it's very simple. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 3. So LCM is 6. LCM is 6. So normally the trick is, if one is a smaller number, another is bigger number, and the smaller number if divide bigger number, then LCM normally the bigger number. What I am saying? If two numbers are there, we have to take LCM of them. One is smaller, another is bigger, and the smaller number can divide bigger, then definitely the bigger number is LCM. We have seen that 3 to the 6 is LCM. So 6 is the LCM. So 23 by 6. So I have to bring 6 here. Already 6 is there. So no need to bring. 5 by 3. I have to bring 6 here. So I have to multiply by 2. Hence I have to multiply by 2 to numerator as well. So 23 by 6 minus 10 by 6. So 23 minus 10, 13 by 6 is our answer, but you can convert this 13 by 6 into mixed fraction. 6 2s are 12, 1. So we know that how to write this division. Queen riding upon donkey. Who is queen here? 2. 2. Riding means remainder 1, donkey is 6. So this is the answer. So 2 1 by 6 pizza is left. So you can write answer 2 1 by 6 pizza is left is the answer. 2 1 by 6. So in this way you have to solve your story sums or word problem. So do the practice. You can get more examples in your books if you are studying these fractions. So you do the practice of those examples and become a master of it. Now one more topic we need to cover, which is comparing fractions. So you might have seen some of the examples, like you need to compare fractions. Two fractions are given and you need to compare them. Compare means you have to put these signs: greater than, less than, and equal to, right? So these signs you have to put. Or you might have seen some problems where 2, 3 or 4 or 5 fractions are given and you have been asked write in ascending order or descending order, right? So how to solve such kind of problems or sums? We are going to learn that. Suppose the problem is 2 by 8 and 6 by 8. You have to put sign in between them. Out of these 3 signs, you have to put one sign here. So can you tell which one is greater? Now you have learned everything. So you can easily tell which one is greater. So the key is, if the denominators are same, if the two fractions are like fractions, then it is very easy to find out which one is greater. So what is the key? What is the formula? If the like fractions are there or denominators are same, then the fraction with greater numerator is greater one. So in these two fractions, 6 is greater than 2. Hence 6 by 8 is greater fraction or bigger fraction than 2 by 8, right? So I can write like this: 2 by 8 less than 6 by 8, right? Or 6 by 8 is greater than 2 by 8. So this is greater, 6 by 8 is greater 1 and this one is smaller. Similar way 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are there. These are the like fractions, denominators are same, see 5, 5 same. So the numerator, which one is greater? 4 is greater than 3, hence 4 by 5 is greater than 3 by 5 or 3 by 5 is less than 4 by 5, right. So these kind of sums are very easy if denominators are same or fractions are like fractions, right. Then another easy example is if fractions are not like fractions or if they are unlike fractions like this, 6 and 7 are there denominators. So these are unlike fractions. But if numerator is 1, right, if numerator is 1, then also it is very easy to identify which one is greater one or which one is bigger fraction. So the key is, the answer is here, the fraction whose denominator is greater, bigger, this one is smaller fractions. Remember carefully, the fraction whose denominator is bigger or greater, denominator is bigger or greater, this fraction is smaller, though denominator is greater but the fraction is smaller. Why? Because denominator is greater, right. If numerator is greater, then definitely that is bigger, but if denominator is greater, then this fraction becomes smaller. So when we increase the denominator, fraction will become smaller, smaller and smaller. If we increase the numerator, top portion, then fraction will become bigger, bigger and bigger, right. Denominator is bigger, fraction becomes smaller, right. You can identify like this, if weight is more, 7 is more, right, bigger, weight is more, it means that this fraction is going down. Going down means smaller because weight is more. We know that if weight is more, definitely things come down, right. If heavy weight is there, it will go down. If inside the water, if you put heavy weight, it will go down to the bottom of the water, right. If a lightweight thing you have thrown in the water, it will float, but heavy weight thing like a rock, right, or like a metal vehicle, if you throw in the water, it will go down at the bottom of water, right. So you can use that analogy. So if denominator is bigger or greater, this fraction will become smaller. So which one is smaller? This one. Which one is greater? 1 by 6. So I can write sign like this. Similarly, can you tell that which one is greater here? Denominator, which denominator is greater? 10 is greater, 9 is smaller and numerator is 1, 1. So answer is this one is bigger. But this happens only in case of numerator value is 1, unit, then only it happens. So these are the two small examples which you can easily identify which one is greater or which one is bigger, right. Now we will see couple of examples where unlike fractions are there and this one is not there. Instead of 1, different numbers are there. In that case, what happens? We will see that. Now we will see when two fractions are unlike fractions, then what happens. Take an example, 7 by 8 and 3 by 4. We need to find out which one is greater. So here our simple method, like if there is a 1 here, then it is easy to identify, but 1 is not here. Here 3 is there, here 7 is there. That method is not applicable. Again, two denominators are not same. This 8 and this 4 are not same. So we cannot directly identify which one is greater. So what to do? So we have two methods to solve such kind of problems. So one is LCM method and another is cross multiplication method. So we'll see first method, LCM. So we know that if we make these two unlike fractions like one, it means that if we make denominators of these two fractions same, then we can easily identify which one is greater, right. So, for that we need to take LCM. So, what I have to do? I have to take LCM of 8 and 4. So, 8, 4 I will write like this, 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, then 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 1. So, LCM is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So, I got LCM as 8. We know how to calculate LCM, right. Still you are confused with LCM, then please watch a video on LCM and HCF, which link I have given in description, or you can press I button here. Okay. So, 8 is LCM. So, I have to make this 7 by 8, here 8 already is there. So, no need to change this 7 by 8. Then 3 by 4, I have to make this 4 as a 8. So, what I have to do? I have to multiply by 2. So, I have to multiply numerator by 2 as well. So, 7 by 8 and this one is 6 by 8, right. So, now we can easily identify which one is greater, 7 by 8 or 6 by 8. We know that if denominators are same or fractions are like fraction, then the fraction with greater numerator is always greater 1. If two fractions are like fractions, then the numerator which has a greater value is greater 1. So, here 6 is greater or 7 is greater. So, 7 is greater. So, the sign is like this, 7 by 8 is greater than 6 by 8, right. Got it. So, another method is cross multiplication. Here simply you have to do cross multiplication. So, I have to start by right side, 4 into 7, 4 into 7, then 8 into 3. So, do not write denominator here, because we are just calculating which one is greater. We are not calculating the values, or we are not calculating any addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So, no need to write below here 8, just write cross multiplication. So, 7 4s are 28, 8 3s are 24. So, which one is greater, 28 or 24? 28 is greater. 28 is greater than 24. Hence, 7 by 8 is greater than 3 by 4. See, the answer is same. This and this are same. So, by both the method, answer is same. So, we learn LCM method, which we already know. We learn cross multiplication method, this also we know, but just no need to write denominator here, just do the cross multiplication, right. Got it. We will take another example, so that your idea will be strengthened. So, our next example is 3 by 7 and 5 by 6. One is simple method, which is cross multiplication. We will do by that, cross multiplication. So, what I have to do? I have to start from right side, 6 into 3, 6 into 3 and then 7 into 5, 18, 35. Which one is greater? 35 is greater. So, 5 by 6 is greater. This is cross multiplication. So, what is LCM? So, I have to take LCM of both, LCM of 7 and 6. Since these two are different numbers, there is no common in this thing, I can take multiplication of this as a LCM. LCM is equal to 7 into 6, 42, right. So, I have to make this 7 as 42, 3 by 7. So, how to make 42? I have to multiply by 6. So, I have to multiply by 6 here, then 5 by 6. How to make this 42? Multiply by 7. So, I will multiply by 7 to numerator as well, 18 by 46, then 35 by 46. So now denominators are same, so these two are like fractions. So we know that in like fractions, when the numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. So 35 is greater than 18. So 35 by 46 is greater than 18 by 46, or 18 by 46 is less than 35 by 46. This is the answer. Got the concept? Now some questions are like you have to write all the fractions in a sum in ascending or descending order. So how to solve such kind of questions? Suppose these 5 fractions are given, 1 by 5, 1 by 6, 1 by 9, 1 by 10 and 1 by 11, and you have been asked to arrange it in ascending order. Ascending. So what is the meaning of ascending? Ascend means what? It starts from smaller and goes on increasing. Ascend, like this. So we will start from smaller. So can you tell which one is smaller? I told you that in unit fraction means whose numerator is 1. If the denominator is greater, that fraction is smaller. Which one is having greater denominator? 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. 11 is greater. So this is a smaller one. So smaller one first, 1 by 11. Then smaller. After that 1 by 10. After that 1 by 9. After that 1 by 6. And last 1 by 5. So in these 5 fractions, 1 by 5 is greatest one and 1 by 11 is smallest one, right? So I can write like this. This is the answer. This is ascending order. Ascending means start from small and goes on increasing. Descending is opposite to that. Descending means what? It will start from bigger one and goes on decreasing, like this. Bigger, smaller, 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 smaller. That is descending, right? So these are the two English words, ascending and descending. You need to clear about the concept about these two words, right? Then only you can write the answer of this question. So of course descending will be reverse. So I have to write bigger one. Bigger one is 1/5. Then next bigger one 1/6. Next 1/9. Next 1/10. Last 1/11. Here also biggest one is 1/5. Sorry, 1/11. Biggest one is 1/5 and smallest one is 1/11. 1 by 11. So this is how you can write ascending and descending fractions. These are very simple. Similarly, if the denominators are same, in that case also it's very simple. So exactly opposite to this. Here denominators are same and numerators are different, more than 1, right? Here 1 is there, but rest of the things are more than 1, 8, 9, 4 and 3. In that case, if I have to write ascending, ascending means smallest is first and goes on increasing. So which one is the smallest one? Smallest one is whose numerator is small, right? That is 1 by 7 is the smallest one. We have seen that. If denominators are same, then the smallest one is whose numerator is smaller one. So 1 by 7 is smallest one. Then after 1, which number is there? 3 by 7. After that 4 by 7. After that 8 by 7. And last 9 by 7. So 1 by 7 is smallest one. 9 by 7 is greatest one or biggest one. Similarly, in descending order, descending will start from higher one and goes on smaller one. Biggest, bigger, big, small, 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 like this. So I have to write biggest one. Which one is biggest? I have to reverse the order. 9 by 7 is biggest one. Then 8 by 7, smallest one. Smaller one, sorry. Then 4 by 7. Then 3 by 7 and last smallest one is 1 by 7. So in this way you can write ascending and descending order when there is denominators are same or like fractions are there, and when unit fractions are there, means numerators are 1. Okay. Now we will see when numerators and denominators are different, means unlike fractions are there. In that case, how to write this? So comparing fractions. So we are going to take another example, that is 2 by 5, 13 by 20, 3 by 10 and 1 by 4. So we have to arrange these 4 fractions in ascending and descending order. So now if we look at these fractions, then denominators are not same. See here 5, 20, 10 and 4, these are different denominators, right? So it is difficult to arrange in ascending and descending order. If you look at the numerators, they also are different, 2, 13, 3 and 1. So what to do? So we know that if fractions are unlike like this, then we normally make them like. It means that we make denominator same. How normally we make denominator same? By taking LCM, right? By LCM method. So let's do that. LCM of 5, 20, 10 and 4. So how to take LCM of 5, 20 and 10, 4? So 5, 20, 10 and 4. I normally like this, do this arrangement, right? Then I find a number which will divide all these 4 numbers. So I normally start with number 2, which is lowest one. So 2 can divide 20 and 10 and 4, right? So I can take 2. So 5 as it is, 2 10s are 20, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, right? So 5 is not divisible by 2, hence I am taking 5 as it is, and I am dividing rest of the numbers by 2. Then next again 2, 5 as it is, 2 5s are 10, 5 as it is, 2 1s are 2, right? So here 1, I got 1, which is my destination. So normally my task is to bring 1 here, right? So now 5 is there. So 5 is not divisible by 2. So I will divide 5 by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So in this way I got 1 1 1 here. So what is our LCM? LCM is 2 into 2 into 5, which is equal to 4 5s are 20. I also told you a shortcut method where a bigger number, if divisible by all 3 numbers, then that is the LCM. So this 20 is divisible by 10 and 4 and 5, so 20 is LCM. So in that case, if you are able to find out LCM directly, no need to do this. But the normal procedure is to do LCM and find out the LCM, right? So now we got LCM 20. Next step is I need to make all these denominator 20, right? So how I am going to make it? So 2 by 5, I will multiply 5 by 4, then numerator by 4, right? Then 13 by 20. So 20 already is there, so no need to change it. Then 3 by 10, so I will multiply by 2 and 2, and last one is 1 by 4, so I will multiply by 5 and 5 here. So like that I am making all the denominator 20. So if I am multiplying 5 here, so I have to multiply by 5 to numerator as well. So 4 2s are 8, by 20, then 13 by 20, then 3 to the 6 by 20, and then 5 by 20. So now these fractions become like fractions, right? So now you can decide which one is greatest one and which one is lowest one, right? So what I told you, the fraction which has bigger numerator, greater numerator, is the greatest one or biggest one. So which has greater numerator? 13. So if I have to arrange in ascending order, right? So if I have to arrange these fraction in descending order, then I have to take biggest one first and then smallest one, small, 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 like that, and smallest one will be at the end. In descending order, first I have to take biggest one. Which one is biggest one? 13 by 20. Then next 8 by 20, because 13 is greater than 8. Then 6 by 20, 8 is greater than 6. So first 13, then 8, then 6, and at the end 5. This will be our order for descending one. And for ascending, reverse one. So smallest will be first, so 5 by 20, then 6 by 20, then 8 by 20, and at last 13 by 20. So this is ascending order, this is descending order. See how simple it is. So 2 by 5 can be converted into 8 by 20, 13 by 20 can be kept as it is, 3 by 10 can be converted into 6 by 20, 1 by 4 can be 5 by 20, and then these are the like fractions, so we can easily determine which one is greatest one and which one is smallest one. So this is how we have to solve this problem. So this is the end of this particular video. After this you will find a screen where lot of examples will be there for your practice. So I have kept many examples there. So let's practice those examples. Write your answers in comment. I will check those answers and I will comment back to you, right? So keep learning. There is another video which is part 3, fractions and decimals part 3. So where we will see what is decimal. So in detail we are going to see that what is decimal, how to do different operations on decimals like addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions. So all those things we will see. That will be also interesting video like this. So keep learning. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If you like my teaching and the content of this video, then please appreciate my efforts by liking this video. You can press like button which is at the bottom of this video. You can subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification instantly. I regularly upload very interesting, very valuable and very important content for you. This content will build up your foundation and this will help to achieve your dreams. You can share this video with your friends and relatives so that they will also get benefited from it. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. If you like our teaching and the content, then please join our academy, which is Sharvin Academy, one of the best academy in Pune and India. We conduct regular classes for entrance exams like IIT JEE, NEET, Olympiads, CET and NDA. Apart from that, we also conduct various classes for different competitive exams at high school levels. We also conduct offline and online classes for 1st standard to 12th standards, all subject and all boards. Our students are toppers in their respective schools. Our mission is to build up your foundation so that you can achieve your dreams. You may have different dreams like becoming engineer, doctor, CA, a lawyer, architect, or any other field like film and television, or in research and science, or maybe in acting and other things. So for achieving your dreams, your foundation should be strong. Our aim is to build your foundation very strong. We have highly skilled professors, teachers, and our content is one of the best content in India. So a lot of students are achieving their goals while studying in Sharvin Academy. So please join us. We are waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you later. Bye.